much getting my life together in this special vlog. The clean my room does make me very happy, so let's transition. Talking about getting my life together, look what just arrived. Wow, it's really pretty. Build a sustainable wardrobe, 1 glass of nut milk at a time. Let me see. Wow, this is really pretty. So Nutter Machine actually have a discount code and a link to them, so go to my description box below and check it out. Like, it comes with its own book of recipes, the strainer, stickers. Okay, this just came at such a good time because like I was telling you earlier, like I just need to reset. I need to slow down. I need to get my act together and putting together my room, taking my time, drinking my coffee, eating, going to the gym. This is all just like, I'm definitely the one to like not look at a recipe, just go in and be like, okay, these are the ingredients, I'm gonna take my time and do it right for you stars. So make sure to be following me at Instagram to get like the latest. We can laugh together as I try and learn how to make this. So it's not a reset day without spending time with my family, so I'm getting ready, going to the trade and meeting with my sister. I don't see you.
Sis, of course you don't see me. I'm on the call.
Como que on call? Today is my reset day. I'm getting my life together and like talking to you makes me feel so happy. Sister! Pero tell me, you're going thrifting?
Yeah.
Sin me.
Yeah.
Send me pictures.
I don't think so.
Privacy, don't come in with me.
Llegamos with the family. So we can spend time together, right, Sabrina?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do now? Where are we going?
To the park!
No, el parque para aquel lado.
The park, and then we'll show you guys our day together.
Okay, let's go.
Sí, ella, es que Cara no sabe bien de este sitio por aquí. Óyeme, tu hija, ¿tú estás happy, Sabrina? Ella está feliz comiendo.
So what?
Sí, se va comiendo, se va viendo rojo. Bruto.
Here, I'll look how many you got.
Cookie, ¿te gusta?
No. So,
Tell them the update. Tell them the update.
what's the update?
That your dad finished getting his tattoo.
You tell him.
Finished getting the tattoo from Yomico.
And me and her and my mom went to have a girl day first, and then we went on a taxi and to take us here back, and then we're actually here.
Yes.
So I'm gonna show you the outside of here. The outside.
Show them, Sabrina.
So the outside has a hallway. That's a super big hallway. We are going to show you nothing. I'm gonna show you a dance. Come on, kid. I, B, G, A, D. What's a phone? See, don't have a side. Let's tiptoe down the street. And then going back where we were, because look at the hallway. It's so long. This way is so cool. And
Come and see. We're gonna. Are you gonna be shy?
No, mañana.
Here, look. You look
Hay
at the
dos
camera.
opciones. Si tú ves que mañana tienes mucho líquido, te lo tiras. Si tú ves que está así sequito, te lo dejas. Ok.
No, voy a hacer una foto con Sabrina en mi teléfono.
El brazo tuyo. Look.
Que le dé la luz. Que le dé la luz. Dile en Yomico.
Beautiful, it came out. It's stunning.
Come on, Kara.
Es un bravo.
That's
Que te entre los
How
dientes.
about I hold the camera?
Va, bravo, ¿verdad que sí?
So,
Entre los dientes.
about here.
Se fuera por aquí o del otro lado así. Esto era de electricidad, eso que tú estás viendo ahí. Sí.
Like,
¿Y cómo te sientes el brazo?
No, pero cuando tú te rapas, pero que ya no te duele, que cuando te rapas ya tú lo tienes ahí para nada.
Ya.
Lo sientes un poquito, cuando te mueve y
¿Tú crees que pudiéramos en 30 minutos que estamos de vuelta?
Oh, yo creo que mira.
Miren para acá.
Ah, sí, mira.
Mira las luces, Kaaramary. Ve, dile adiós que nos vamos.
No. Dile que no.
Mami.
no.
Pero es que Kaaramary, por Dios, mi hija.
Look, Kara's in the car.
Yeah, we're in the car.
Yeah, Kara's not there.
No, yo estoy bien.
We're gonna go now. We're gonna go to Mia's
Dios
in Manhattan, and then we're gonna see each other. Guys, stay tuned because there's vlogs.
Cara, amárrala. Bien amarrada, ¿eh?
Now I
Okay,
got it.
where we're gonna see each other again soon for the walk, for the Umass Cancer Walk, and you can actually go to my link in bio
Cara.
and make donations. Ay, ¿qué pasó?
I can, there you go.
Right, Sabrina? So they should go to the link in bio, in the description below of the video.
Cara, para que no-
And,
Es todo lo que tengo
you
tuyo.
know I have this bottle, huh?
Yeah.
And Kara has her own bottle, and I got my own bottle that's blue, not pink.
Kaaramary, ve a ver.
You say something, Helen. You're the vlogger.
Yeah, and my sister's getting changed, and we are gonna get you to the bakery, and we're gonna eat still, and we're gonna get so much fun because we're gonna go outside.
Just require one line. To the bakery, and now we're eating these delicious croissants with orange juice, coffee. It's this Hungarian bakery that is very delicious, and it's so popular that the line is literally.
And the line is so long, and we are eating and we're eating croissant, and it's so good.
Exactly. So delicious. I'll catch up with you guys later. Helen, do you want to sew your own clothing?
Yes,
Make your own clothes
yes,
and transform them, like revamp?
yes. I'm doing work right now, and I want to show you what we're doing today.
Fixing the pillow. We're using a back stitch.
All of these back sticks because I want to show you the back sticks. Yellow is Alina's favorite color. Today was a perfect day. Call you later.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap up actually the video here. That was my reset day, getting my life together, pretty much just planning and spending time with my family. As you saw, like for me to recharge is really spending time with my family. The last errand that I have to do is just like go to the post office and send these gifts off to my goddaughter, and then I'm gonna see you guys again in the next vlog where I bring you along and share with you my next sustainable habits. I can't wait to see you guys. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on IG for more daily updates of what's going on, and I'll see you next time. Keep on shining.